Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got friendship mail from Have At It, aka Joe. Now, there's an item in here that was accidentally sent to Joe, and she says, I know who it's from, and so forth. So I'm just gonna kind of reach in the box, and when I get to it, I'll get to it. The first thing I'm pulling out is my Nova feather. Isn't that awesome? That's from Joe's parrot. Or, not parrot. Oh, forgot what they're called. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's a long one. It's hard to believe that was on her bird. That's so cool. Alrighty. Just gonna reach in. Oh, she showed me this. She made this. Look at that. Steampunk. And then you open it. You got a pocket. And then you got your personal planner. It's going in my purse. And then a little notebook holder, which you can remove and replace. That is so cool. That's awesome, Joe. Thank you. Love it. That's cool. That. Alright. Envelope. Got another Nova feather. Cool. Ooh. Oh, look at you made it with a Nova feather. And Gears Adventures Waiting. That's cool. Oh, look at this one. Them are cool, Joe. Gears, the train. Love that. And then there's this. Shabby Chic. There's a pocket here. And you open it. Oh, look at that. Little notebook. Little pockets on each side. This is pretty. And you put this. You could use it as a wallet. You know, hold your debit cards in here. Stick this in your purse. And still have like a little. I only carry a debit card, an insurance card, and my ID. This would work perfect for my purse. That'd be cool. That's cool. Alrighty. And I see a marker, spectrum, nor basic. It's like a heather, it says. Like a light lavender. Okay. This is the item. Oh my god. That was accidentally. Oh my god. Oh my god, Stephanie. She says it's a wind chime for Stephanie. This thing's beautiful. It's going in my kitchen. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, I don't know how to show this. It's a red truck on top with a chicken, a pig, and a dog. But, oh, hang on. There we go. I don't know if she made this. Let's see. It is from Sunset Vista Designs. Okay. So you have the truck at the top, like knives, there's bottle caps with spoon, and a little bell, and then a can. There's a chicken, there's a pig, forks, beads, bells, a bottle opener, and another can. This is awesome. Oh my god. You guys hear that? Oh my god. I love wind chimes. That's beautiful. I'll have to take a picture of it hanging and post it in Tina's Crafty Life. That is so cool. Thank you. Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay, I'll put that over there. Woo, that was cool. Okay. And let's see. We got some stickers that are like steampunk. Metallic. It's cool. Oh. A color burst ink for Riley Roo. Blue. And then this is Add Dimensional and Most Zigzag Cuts Cutting Pad. Huh. It's got like a slit in the middle. I'll have to figure out what to do with that. I'll have to look that up. That's interesting. And then, this is cool. Okay, guys. It is piano paper. That is so awesome. I can't wait to figure out what I want to do with it. It is so cool. I mean, what would you guys do? Give me some suggestions in the comments below. Look at that. That is so cool, the old piano rolls. Tell me what you would do. Oh, it's metal. So cool. In the original box. Victor drew. I didn't read it. Wow, that's awesome. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then, Joel received mail from me because I had a buyer. Anybody knows that our Zibbet store goes through. It's Joe's Zibbet Store, and she allows me to put stuff in there. Well, I had a buyer who wanted to send me some friendship mail. She didn't realize that it was Joe's address, but she sent it to me. So, let's share. And it's cool, because Joe shared it with me. She said that she got a hold of me right away. It says, to Tina. And she says, hello, Tina. I thought you might like these. I sent some to Kathy to stay safe. Nedia Lopez. Love you. And she sent me some little charms of snowflakes, trees, keys. So cute. And this stamp. See that? Man, these are awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That. And that. Steampunk. I don't know where she found these, but these are so cool. The owl. The owl again. The gal. And the gal. And then the lady, the gal. And then another one of the gal, but smaller. the guy. And then a bigger guy. These are so cool. And another gal. And then another gal. And some Casper. Casper. And I think that her name's Wendy. Them are cool. Thank you, Nedia. Awesome, guys. Awesome friend mail from a bunch of wonderful ladies. Loving everything. I'm staring at my wind chime from Stephanie going, where am I going to hang that in my kitchen? Because that'll look perfect. Because my kitchen's country. And I have a thing for cows, so cows are in my kitchen. And that looks so cute hanging in my kitchen. I just have to find the right spot for it. And Joel, thank you for the feathers and everything else. I'll have to figure this out. I'll have to YouTube that. And Nedia, thank you. And awesome, Joel. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Steampunk. Love it. As always, everybody, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for the wonderful mail, ladies. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.